Okay, as you continue solving these problems, make sure to show your work separately. That means on paper, but on a separate paper. You're doing questions 1 through 20. I have gotten you through questions 1 through 6 on page 332, so let's go on to 7. It says 7, identify the number and type of faces of the prism. The faces are the shapes. What shapes do you see here? Shade in the bases. And remember, if it's mostly rectangles, then it is a prism. If it is mostly triangles, then it is a pyramid. So, what is the name of this shape? A blankular blank, pyramid or prism. Then it says find the lateral area of the prism. You need to know what the bases are. You need to exclude the bases here. No areas of the bases in this answer. Now, do not write that down here because that's just a note that I'm leaving for you to make note of. Then it says use a net to find the total surface area of the pyramid, then find the cost of wrapping the pyramid completely in a gold foil that costs 5 cents per square centimeter. So I need to find the total surface area of the pyramid. Then find the cost of wrapping the pyramid completely. That's 5 cents per square centimeter. This is where I want you to jump in and show your separate work. If you do not understand what's going on, it tells you to refer to examples 2 and 3. Furthermore, these were definitely posted in the videos from yesterday. So, I am going to draw the net. Question number 10. I need to shade in my base. There's no other bottom to this except for this. This is a square and it will have 4 triangles around it. Ten by 10, triangle, 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 and triangle. The height of those triangles is 12 centimeters. Now I need to find my lateral area to get me to my surface area. My lateral area is everything that's not a base. So this is my base right here. And if I find the area of this square, that's a 10 by 10, which is 100. And then my lateral area would be 4 triangles. Then I need to write down the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Then I need to write down what those triangles are, and since I have 4 of them, I will multiply by 4. So here, I have my base and my height of my triangle, which is 12 and 10, divided by 2, which equals 12 times 10 is 120, divided by 2 is 60. But I need 4 of those. So this is 1 triangle, and then 4 triangles would be 60 times 4, which is 240. Now, make sure to label your areas 60, 60, 60, and 60. So I've got 240 for my lateral area. My total surface area is my lateral area plus my bases. So that's 240 plus base times height, which we said was 10 times 10, which is 100. This equals 340 square centimeters. Now, am I done? No, I have to multiply that by 5 cents per square centimeter. Total surface area. It says cover completely. So does that mean lateral area or total surface area? Which one of these do I multiply by 5 cents? I kind of already gave you a hint, and find that answer. So 240 times 0.5 cents, or 0.05 cents, or 340 times 5 cents. 5 times 0, 5 times 4, 5 times 3 plus 2, 5 times 0, 5 times 4, 5 times 2 plus 2. Choose the best answer. Question 11 should be simple. How do you find the lateral area and total surface area of a triangular pyramid? The answer is in your notes. You should have complete notes, and if you don't, the rest of them are in Google Classroom. Whatever I have loaded to Google Classroom should have been written in your notebook. Going on to question 12. Use a net to find the lateral area and the total surface area of the cereal box. Use a net. That is what was written on your instructions today in class. Hold on, let me find them. Boom. Draw the net. Show all work on separate paper. Numbers 1 through 20, page 332 to 333. This is your assignment. This is also a hint to help you solve question number 8. So, use a net. I need to draw 6 rectangles. That is what this was getting me at. I need to draw a net that looks like this. So, for question number 12, I need 6 rectangles. One is an 8 by 12, and then next to it is a 2 by 12. Then I need a back, and then I need another side. Then the bottoms would be down here and up here. I have just opened up this box. This is 2, and this is 2. This is 2, and these are all 12. So 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. It doesn't get shorter and become an 8 magically. All right, so I have my lateral area. My bases should be shaded in. This is the top and bottom of the box. So my lateral area is 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles. Are all of those rectangles the same? No, I have 2 fat ones and 2 skinny ones. I need to know the area of a rectangle, which is base times height. One rectangle is a 12 by 8. 12 times 8, 96 inches squared. The other rectangle is a 2 by 12. The order doesn't matter, I will still get 24. Now I have 2 of those and 2 of those. 2 fat, 2 skinny. 96 times 2. 192 inches squared. 24 times 2 is 48 inches squared. Now, my lateral area is equal to the total of these 2 numbers. 240 inches squared. Okay, so this is 96, 96, 24, 24. And for kicks and giggles, because I'm going to need this later, this 8 by 2 is a 16 and a 16. Total surface area is my 4 rectangles plus 2 rectangles. These are my bases. These are my lateral faces. That's my lateral area. So I'll take my total surface area and calculate that by adding 240 to the area of the 2 bases, which is 16. 2 times base times height, just to calculate it out and show you how I want you to demonstrate showing your work. 2 times 8 times 2. 240 plus 2 times 16. 240 plus 32. 272 inches squared is my total surface area. For question 13, they're talking about this shipping carton here. This is a cereal box, ladies and gentlemen. You must read to understand that. Once you're done finding the lateral and total surface area here, they're done with the cereal box. Please don't draw a rectangular prism net here. This is not a rectangular prism. Shade in your bases. Then this talks about the shipping carton again, and it tells you what it is. Read, ladies and gentlemen. It is a triangular prism. I should not see rectangular prisms or flat rectangles here. Not just rectangles, that is. Then we're doing the same thing that we just did here, which is also what we did in our notes yesterday as we were walking through these example problems. This is my expectation of how I want you to show your work.